Friends, welcome to today's POD. So today we will be solving this question: substring with largest variance. Better to read this question yourself and then come to this video. And for this, you can wander, discuss section, solution section, or if you really think that it's not gonna help you or it's making you confusing, like it is creating confusion, and you can also see my solution. It is quite easy. I have also not come to the solution this much easily. From the morning I am suffering to reach to the solution. Like I was not getting the approach, but now I got it. And if you will try to reduce the variable, you will have to take some other variable, and you will make this question tough and tougher. So okay, let's get into the question. So the question is, you have given a string and you need to find the variance. Variance means you need to choose two variable, pair of alphabet, and you need to do the minus of occurrence of high occurred, or you can say highest frequency minus lower frequency. Okay, so in this question you can see many substring, but your answer is 3, as your answer is BABBD, in which B occurrence is 4 and D occurrence is 1, and 4 minus 1 is 3. Okay, so let's little bit see the approach. Have you listened the name Kadane's algorithm? So Kadane uncle told that if you want the sum of any subarray including the negative elements, okay, you can just do what you can do is maintain a current variable, okay, and traverse through the array. When the current become negative, no need to continue that subarray, because it will give you negative sum. Okay, and then you can update your current from to 0, and you can update your global answer. Okay, so this was the Kadane algorithm, and in this question you will use advanced Kadane algorithm. Means that what is your answer? Answer is what? Higher frequency variable minus low frequency variable. Okay, you need to maximize it. Okay, and as soon as your low frequency variable become more, it means it's not a valid answer. Okay, then you can do you can set this both variable to 0 again, and it start your subarray again. Okay, so this is the intuition. Many of the discussion session shows that if you have this you can this two variables, suppose, then you can write higher frequency variable to 1 1 1 1 and lower frequency to minus 1 minus 1 minus 1, and then you can find the largest subarray to give the positive something positive sum, and it will give you the answer. Okay, but in this solution, Vertuback, if you guys know, have shown the solution, but the problem is that he has taken has occurred, if this low frequency variable has occurred or not, and he has taken one more variable that, okay, it is not occurring in this subarray, but has it occurred before, anyway it has occurred, low frequency variable. Suppose A is the low frequency, so have A occurred in any of the subarray before? So he have maintained two variables, but I think that will become tough. Okay, anyhow I'm not getting the solution thoroughly. So what my approach is so simple. Okay, what is simple in that is this is a string. Okay, and you suppose assume that A is your low frequency and B is your high frequency variable. Okay, you just assumed it. So you solve the question by it, but it may be the case that B is the high frequency and A is the B is the low frequency and A is the high frequency. So for that case, just reverse the string and do it. So in that way you will have the if your string have k means at most 26k can be, okay, 26 alphabets only, small letters. So k square for trying all the pairs, and n two times sorry, not this, for checking a string, then reversing the string and checking the string. Okay, I think you got the solution. Let's jump to the solution. And I think the confusion will be what are pairs I'm saying about. Here you can choose only two variables. Suppose a c b b, then you need to count the only two variable. Okay, so let's see the solution. Okay, so what you will do is like, okay, oh yeah, even I forget what I have explained this. Okay, you need to try all the pairs. Okay, so you need you can do the for loop of 26 into 26, but better you take all the unique letters. Okay, all the pairs of unique letter, anyway it will reduce your complexity. Okay, if the unique letter is 4 only, it will complexity will improve. Okay, the complexity of my solution will be order of k square into 2n. Okay, so let's start. Just take the unique character. Okay, so you can in C++ you can pass the whole string like in iterator form, and it will insert. Anyway you are going to store only unique characters. Okay, so let's explore the high frequency of this unique, and you can put a simple name, or you can assume that the low frequency. Okay, and then okay, if this is equal, you can ignore for sure. If high frequency is equal to low frequency, like if the characters are equal, and these are characters only, so you can continue. Now I said you need to do 2 times. Firstly you consider the string, then reverse the string and do the operation. Okay, 2 times, right? Okay, you will do 2 times this operation while p minus, and here I'm writing why you are doing this, because low frequency can also be high frequency. You assumed, like what you have assumed may not be the true. Like if string start with a b b b b b, so you have considered a as the highest frequency occurring node number of times than b, but maybe it's opposite the case. So okay, that's why we'll do 2 times. Okay, then what you need to do, you know better, right? You can maintain 2 variable low frequency. Okay, you can consider this variable as low high. Okay, then for loop to the whole string, and then you can say if your ch is equal to high frequency character, it's easy, you can rename it as character 1 or character 2. Okay, like it will be easy for you. Character 2. Okay, like it's short names are always good. I'm sorry I'm making this video long due to my silly mistakes, but I'll improve the quality and these steps. Okay. in that kadane algorithm, when current is negative, you need to like do the set again. And in this question, if anyhow you assume low frequency become more than high frequency, then you need to do that again. Set to 0 and high frequency also set to 0. Okay, and you can only maximize your answers at least you are interacted with two characters. Like if low frequency, at least like low frequency variable at least more than 0, then only if one character is only repeating, that there is no point of updating your answer. Okay, then बहुत ज़्यादा लूप्स हो गया, आज पसीने आ गए इस क्वेश्चन करने में, दिमाग ख़राब हो गया सो लोग. ओके, मुझे लग रहा है मैंने कुछ ज़्यादा ही लूप लगा दिया. ये इसका स्ट्रिंग का होगा. ठीक है, ये करने के बाद अब स्ट्रिंग को रिवर्स करना है. एज आई टोल्ड यू द आंसर, बिकॉज रिवर्स हो सकता है ना. आपने मान लिया कि C1 इज़ मोर देन C2, तो हो सकता है कि C2 की फ्रिक्वेंसी ज़्यादा हो C2 C1 से, इसलिए. ओके, एंड आई थिंक दिस इज़ ओके. लेट्स रन द कोड. ओके, वी हैव नॉट डिक्लेयर्ड द आंसर. kadane एल्गोरिथम में वी डिक्लेयर्ड आंसर विद इंट min, बिकॉज उसमें नेगेटिव नंबर्स होते हैं. इन दिस क्वेश्चन वी हैव ओनली द लेंथ, सो यू कैन डू लाइक दिस. So basically this question is easy. In place of two variables, you can take one variable and do plus when you encounter C1, and do minus when you encounter C2. But in that case, you need to maintain another variable which can tell like low has occurred or not, because in this you can easily say that low frequency is more than 0, means it must have occurred. So like both the character have occurred. So let's maximize our answer. Okay, thank you. See you tomorrow. And on weekend I got late because the POD was really tough, and generally in weekend it's hard question came. So, and I was also busy with the contest. Maybe I will be making that videos also. I was not able to do fourth question actually, so that's why I have not made it, but now I'll try. Thank you, and please like the video. I have seen that 60 views are there. If you cannot go and comment, at least like it. Okay, it will give me motivation. Thank you.